Have you ever had it when you've been so busy with a game that you've completely forgot that another game's come out? Well, that happened with me. I've been addicted to this. This was a pre-order bonus for the game. I was very addicted to this that I completely forgot a brand new game came out, or should I say remake came out. Remember to smash that like button, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Now this came yesterday and I completely forgot what I'd ordered, and I opened it and yeah, I completely forgot to get that outfit. Whoops. So here we have this, which I'm going to build in a minute. We've got Gino and we got Mario RPG the game. Now let's get into opening up this. So yeah, I have been addicted to this that I completely forgot this was coming out. I have to say the casing's a little bit bland. I mean, it's just Peach, Gino, Mallow and Jack Black on here. The first ever Mario RPG overhauled for Nintendo Switch. A colossal sword has fallen from the sky, and that's only the beginning. It's up to Mario and friends to save the world. There it is, and inside, kind of cool cartridge, if you can see it. Probably not, because I'm not very good at this. It's tidy. That's pretty cool. Not gonna throw that. Let's have a look at this. So this is the Gino keyring. Is there anywhere for me to rip open? There. All that. Da 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 da. Ooh, feels quite nice. Right, let's do this. Let's do the old twist again. Is it there to there? I'm really excited to be playing this game because this is one of the games that I was brought up on. Yes. Keep probably a piece of random cardboard, get rid of that. And there he is. There is Gino. Wow. Now this looks cool. So we're going to put Mario RPG sort of stuff. So I'm guessing, I'm really not sure. Stick it in there? No. Stick it in there. Break it within seconds. Oh, for God's sake, why is it so fiddly? Or is it meant to be that way? No. No, because surely that's got to stick into there like that. Oh no, it's falling apart. And then that's meant to go there. With that in front. I don't know. I can't get this to work. But anyway, it's Mario RPG. Remember to like this video and subscribe, and I will do a review of this game. Peace.